In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the chart background color in the TradingView iPhone app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to tap so your charts look and feel just the way you like them. Start by opening the TradingView app on your iPhone. On the bottom navigation bar, select Chart. This takes you to the main charting screen where you can see your candles, indicators, and tools. Next, look to the bottom right corner and tap the gear icon. That's your chart settings. This is where TradingView hides all the visual and behavior options that affect how your chart appears. Inside Chart Settings, tap More Settings. This expands the deeper customization options. From here, find and select Canvas. Think of Canvas as the visual foundation of your chart, the area behind your price candles and indicators. Inside Canvas, tap Background. This is the specific control that changes the color of the chart's backdrop. You'll see choices for white, black, or you can create a custom color. If you prefer a bright, clean look, choose white. If you're working in low light or you like a high contrast layout that's easy on the eyes, black is a great choice. For a custom look, pick a color from the palette and adjust the shade to get the exact tone you want. A subtle gray or a muted blue can reduce glare while keeping candles and grid lines crisp and readable. If there's an opacity slider, consider lowering it slightly so indicators and drawings stand out without the background feeling too heavy. Once you've chosen your color, tap OK if you see that option, or simply go back. The chart updates automatically, so you can immediately see how your selection looks. If anything seems hard to read, you can hop right back into Canvas and fine-tune your background until your candles, grid, and indicators have the contrast you need. A quick tip, if you switch between day and night trading, consider using a darker background in the evening and a lighter one during the day. Also, if your indicator colors blend into the new background, revisit your indicator settings to adjust their colors for better visibility. That's it. Open TradingView. Go to Chart, enter Chart Settings, tap More Settings, choose Canvas, tap Background, pick your color, and confirm. Your chart reflects the change instantly, giving you a cleaner, more comfortable workspace tailored to your style.